Radio waves. After learning about the sources and detectors of radio waves, it's time to learn about the uses of radio waves. They are used in long, medium, and short wave radio and in TV UHF. What are these? Long wave LW have long wavelengths. Medium wave MW have medium wavelengths. That's how radio waves are divided according to the values of wavelengths. These two belong to the family of AM, amplitude modulation. You sure have seen AM on your radios. On the other hand, FM, frequency modulation, is of short radio waves, whereas UHF, ultra high frequency, is responsible of carrying TV radio waves, and it's of the shortest wavelengths. We have to keep in mind that the longer the wavelength, the better radio waves tend to travel. And that's why AM waves are used between countries where waves can travel long distances and around the world, while the shorter the wavelength, the better the quality of the information they transmit. So, FM waves travel less distances but transmit high quality signals, for example when receiving local music to our stereos. Moreover, television signals need to carry more information than audio signals, so they are sent at a higher frequency, UHF, and shorter wavelength. At last, you can also use radio waves instead of cables to connect a computer to other devices such as a printer or a mouse. Bluetooth-enabled devices, cordless phones, and walkie-talkies are also good examples of radio wave-based devices.